Dear future husband, here's a few things you'll need to know if you wanna be my one and only. My life.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you.
Take me on a date, I deserve a date. And don't forget the flowers every anniversary. Cause if you treat me right, I'll be the perfect wife. Buying groceries, buying what you need. You gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright,
like I'm ready, baby.
Dear future husband, here's a few things you'll need to know if you wanna be my one and only all my life.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you.
After every fight, just apologize. It may be then I'll let you try and rock my body right. Even if I was wrong, you know I'm never wrong. Why disagree? Why disagree? Woo!
I'll go get a ring, let the choir bells sing like ooh. So what you wanna do? It's on, girl. Hey.
Dear future husband, make time. Don't leave me lonely, and no one ever see your family more than mine. I'll be sleeping on the left side of the bed. Hey, open doors for me and you might get some kisses. Don't have a dirty mind, just be a classy guy. Find me the ring. Find me the ring.
Just say I do.